Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sean.
I'm Anvesha.
And we are
Anglobong.
Right now we are going to do a reaction to one of Diljit
Dosanjh's music video. And it's the official music video of Diljit's song Morni. It's a new song, and they've also given special thanks to the living legend Jazzy B. Maybe he has done a small rap or something in this song. I mean, Jazzy B is, you know who is?
No, I have no clue.
Is the singer Dil Luteya song you've seen?
Okay.
No, amplifier is Imran Khan. Jazzy B, yeah, Jine Mera Dil Luteya.
Okay.
That's the song. I mean, who doesn't know that song? Even non-Indian, most people know his song. Okay, so without wasting any more time, we can, I think, get into the music video.
What do you want to say? Do you understand, my son? Theory. I but not. You have been underestimated the intercourse. No.
Sir, what do you even mean?
Aurat. Woman. Is the very well. What is this though? What are the thing? Are you messes anything? In this matter, 8-meter depth. Sir, you're not making any sense. Oh. You have no. Hot picture.
ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਦੇ ਹੁੱਡ 'ਚ ਉੱਡੇ ਨਾ ਪੰਛੀ ਦਸਾਂਝਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੜਿਆ ਤੇਰਾ ਚੰਨੀ ਨੱਟਾ ਕਰੇ
So guys, that was the amazing, awesome track from Diljit.
Diljit.
Yeah, I couldn't get his name first time. Diljit. Very
And
nice. I mean,
he's one of the only Indian stars who have performed in Coachella.
oh, okay,
Mm.
nice.
So he's very big. I think now you'll frequently see him in on that show Jimmy Fallon also.
Okay.
Yeah, he's quite a regular
Real
over
big
there now. But he doesn't really know too much of English. Like he can't speak proper. But
Okay.
he's,
I think that's
he's
why.
famous.
I think that's why also the video is about no hate, all love. Like,
And you've heard
Don't
some
discriminate.
of his other songs also with Sia and all.
Ah.
He's done those.
because I usually think of him as more of a romantic, slow music.
No, he
Not
does
really-
all kinds.
All kinds. Okay.
And coming to this song, अच्छा energy है, very old school
Old
vibe,
school.
isn't it?
Lot of bass and Punjabi bass and oof, the beats.
Now that's why I get the thank you to Jazzy B. I'm sure he has something to do with the song, even though there was nothing. I didn't hear his voice. It was out and out Diljit. लेकिन गाने में जो गाने का जो vibe है, it takes us back to the 90s when I think the Punjabi hip hop and underground songs were getting popular.
Yeah.
And a lot of the bass was kind of like Punjabi MC wala
Yeah.
jo songs used to be
Late
those
90s,
days.
early 2000s. Yeah.
हाँ, those kind
Typical,
of vibe.
typical Bhangra Punjabi bass and those.
इनफैक्ट आजकल के गानों में हम लोगों ने स्क्रैचिंग नहीं सुना है. I
हाँ.
think that's the word for it. The
Yeah,
scratching
DJ,
part.
DJ scratching. Yeah.
हाँ, आजकल नहीं. No one puts that element in the songs anymore. लेकिन this is because it's so old school. So scratching I think was a must. उसको तो डालना ही था. पूरा like since we are 90s kids, तो it took
Lot
us
of,
back.
nostalgia.
Took us back to our old school Punjabi beats days.
Yeah, I still prefer all the old school Punjabi songs. I mean, any day.
Yes,
उसका जो-
आजकल आज भी हम लोग उस गाने पे we start dancing and grooving to those songs.
In fact, also the beginning of the video, छोटा बहुत, the small clip where he comes out of jail, वो जेल से निकल के जो आते हैं, it reminded me of that Honey Singh song,
Kala Star.
Kala Star. वो जेल से
हाँ.
निकल के आता है and kind of, I mean, but again, different singer, different setting. But yeah, overall the beats and the vibes, too good. I mean, the song was very catchy, बहुत ही energetic.
Even if we don't understand most of the words Punjabi में, but Punjabi songs का यही I think USP है कि you can just
Headbang.
headbang and
Headbang.
nod and groove and vibe with the song.
Yeah,
Don't need the words as such. Music अच्छा हो तो सब कुछ चल जाता है.
एकदम. You don't need to be a Punjabi to understand the song. I mean, yeah, overall.
आई थिंक हम लोग ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं पंजाबी गाने सुन के. आता कुछ नहीं है लेकिन बीट्स इतने अच्छे होते हैं कि वी कांट स्टॉप आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम ग्रूविंग. सो दिस वाज आवर reaction video to Diljit's Morni, and it will be a great song. I think already there are millions of
5.6
views
million.
already.
So if you guys liked our reaction, if you like the song also, obviously you love the song. If you liked our reaction, hit that like button. आप लोग share कीजिए video, and we'll all see you on the next video.
Bye.
See you soon.